one of the world's great wilderness areas. Fiordland National Park is our largest, just over 1.2 million hectares of rainforests, mountains. After that, on our trip today, we will be travelling from east to west and back again across the centre of the national park. We'll be looking out for wildlife along the way, taking you to one or two places of interest. Of course, if you see anything of interest or anything that we haven't spotted, indeed, if you have any questions at all, then just write me or Sean, the crew, and we'll do our best to answer.